turn everything into competition.
The legend of Uncle Ron. Everyone needs an Uncle Ron.
Now I got that on video. Yeah.
Whilst we were in the process of looking to try and find a truck, we'd previously been in contact with a guy who was selling Toy Hauler, which is a big caravan that you can also put motorbikes and cars and stuff in. We've looked at quite a lot of them online, and this one just seemed to be, again, a cut above the rest of them.
And then
the trailer's 90% what we're looking for.
I think so too, yeah.
And I like the way the modern feel and stuff. I think probably if we can get him down to 10,
yeah,
I think we've got a deal.
If you do it at 10, we'll be very, very happy and take on board all the problems that it has got.
So here's how I'm thinking. I think that 11 is more than fair. I think that 10.5 is, because I'm learning, I think it's fair, and I also am intelligent enough to know that if you're going to pay me 10, then you're going to leave me an unrefundable deposit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
10.
Thanks for mum.
What, $1,000 deposit?
That works.
I'm going to put a UK flag in there. That's be a flag holding. I'm going to put a Union Jack up there.
I really don't think we should have got such a big thing, because it's proper difficult to get in and out of these spots. I don't know how I'm going to get out without driving over the grass or hitting another vehicle.
We'd already booked space at a trailer park. It was so nice. We got there with TV and beds that come down from the roof. The best bit about that first night was I flipped Matthew for who was going to sleep in the queen bed. And I won!
So this is what Phil showers with. Bit of a pink pom-pom there. Beautiful.
We're not all show with pink pom-poms. There's a Manly Lynx. And then a little body scrubber. No? Is that not right? Dude, don't lock it yet. I'm going to put my pink pom-pom away.
So last night we went and picked up our Toy Hauler, which is basically a caravan on steroids. So the Toy Hauler that we've got is a 30-foot, and it's got a fold-down door at the back, which we can put motorbikes and cars and toys and stuff like that in it. So the beds go up to the top while you've got the toys in. Take the toys out, the beds come down. You've got some nice sleeping area. So we parked on a trailer park last night, so we're now officially trailer trash. And that is, I think we've moved up in the world.
Clunk click every trip.
Safety first, kids. Massive mum and
To continue on I-805 South, follow signs for I-805 South.
134. We've been in the car for quite a long time now. Mark told us last night that there was a Husqvarna that he'd been trying to get a deal on. Looked really good on the pictures, so we're just going to see if we can get a deal on it. It's up for $2,500, but that's including some parts, and we don't think we want the parts. So
the fenders, the bars, and the tires.
Yeah.
I've got the original tires over there, the trailer boards. I raced it like twice and rode it a couple times.
Oh, all right, yeah.
when did it last run?
August.
August.
Yeah.
Yeah, not too bad then.
So, other than that, I mean, for its age, it's friggin'
Looking
immaculate.
pretty good, yeah.
Other one's not for sale? Not yet.
I've got a 24-hour world record with it.
You've got a 24-hour world record?
I've got 3 of them.
Wow.
Really? Yeah.
In what race?
24 hours of La Fudd. It was a local race down in here in District 38. Tag teamed it for 24 hours straight, and then that's how that race went. But we went 830 some miles.
No, in 24 hours?
Yeah,
That's
and then,
really
and then
good.
after that, I raced that
24 miles.
for 11 years. on the same piston and rings.
We've found this absolutely beautiful WR430 original tank, original plastics at the sides, aftermarket mud guards, but everything else is absolutely spot on. These bikes are just so hard to find. He's just said to Matthew, he's just lent Matthew a boot to kick it over and start it up. So away you go, Matthew, start it up. So where are we at with the money, man?
Well, I've got it listed for 25.
Yeah.
But that's with the forks, the silencer, and the tires.
Okay.
Like I said, it's a Survivor.
Yeah, you can see that. Yeah.
So I don't think we really need the silencer or the forks. We've got some more of that stuff.
Well, I've got a little bit of room. So what are you guys' thoughts? I mean, I know you guys are here from
the England,
from that island over there.
That across that little bit of water.
I think I'd go to two on it.
Would you go to 2?
Yeah, I think so. We know it starts and we know it rides and everything like that. So yeah. 2
sounds good. Actually, you know what? I'm feeling good.
19.
19.
That's really good. 19. Thank you very much. That's awesome.
When I get all healed up, hopefully we can meet up at Glen Helen.
Yeah, that'll be good.
I can show you guys what the back of my helmet looks like.
You're also a comedian.
Good deal.
Good to go.
Take care. Nice meeting you.
Oh, Spartan is beautiful. It is beautiful,
Yeah, I think how long did it take us to get here? An hour and a half? And now that it's Friday evening, it looks like it's going to take us almost 3 hours to get home.
We managed to get a lead off one of the people that we bought another bike off, and it was about some Can-Am 125s. It's quite a big drive away, and the guy that was selling them, he was moving out of state.
You know, the fenders are painted, side plates and stuff, but these are petty fenders, you can get those. Tank's in good shape.
Yeah.
The side plate you can probably refinish, the side plates. Everything's there. So if I don't know anything how it is with the motor internally.
Yeah. So basically,
haven't opened it up, haven't touched it.
Yeah.
I can do top ends. I don't know how to play cases or anything.
Yeah.
I'm not into that.
We've got to bear in mind that bottom end that needs a bottom end doing.
This one I'm not sure. I don't know if I'm going to sell it really or not. It's a 125 motor. He said it runs and everything. I took the tank off it, sold it with another one I had because it fit right on it, and it's just been sitting. So he says the oil injection. I bought it from him. Says the oil injection works and everything else.
All right. So if you were going to sell it, what price would you?
You know, I bought it for like $7, and I think it cost me a couple $100 to ship it.
Okay.
That's the only problem. But there was a tank on it when I got it.
Yeah.
I never even started it. I think I just drained it and everything. You know, gas in the States will ruin everything. You got. I run race gas in all my stuff.
Right.
You have to. This one, it's been sitting outside just under the eaves.
Yeah.
I heard this one runs. It's a 125. That's why I bought it, because I wanted to do 125.
Right.
I'll open that up. I'll show you the ones I have in there.
Could you show me the piston?
Is
that possible?
I think it's in a box in the storage.
Is it the pistons though? Do you think? Well, on that, yeah. I think let's see if we can do a deal. I know he said he stands him at more money than he's selling for. They always say that.
Still,
but still
trying to pay. Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
What about this one? Always pushing on this. He says he paid $7 for it. Dude. I like it with the because it's got the underslung exhaust.
Yeah, I like that. I don't like it that it's not got a tank.
Yeah.
There's been some crap.
The tang off the gudgeon pin off the clip has snapped off.
Yeah, so I don't know if it's anything in the
the bottom as well. Yeah. The bottom lid rebuild because the bit.
You guys work on these split cases and everything?
Oh yeah.
I wish I was that proficient.
Yeah. Is there a package deal to be done on the pair? I like this one because I like the underslung exhaust. I like the older...
The downpipe and everything on it.
It's a 250 with a 125 motor in it, isn't it?
250 frame, was it?
With that's it.
But with that pipe, that's a lot older pipe than 80.
Yeah.
I don't know, what are you guys looking at? I mean, I had this for $1,000. I have more than that into it, right?
Yeah.
This, I have 7 or more into it. It's missing a tank though. That was sold.
What would you be thinking?
I don't know, you do like 1,600? $1,006.
Yeah.
100 less without the tank.
Yeah.
Would you do 14?
16. How about I'll do 15.
Okay.
I'll do 15.
Yeah, we'll do 15.
Yeah, let's do that.
Nice one, man.
And then I don't have
Thank
to
you.
take him to Georgia.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
On all of the racing plates, on his number boards, it said Wild Bill. So I said, "Is that you, Wild Bill?" And he was getting a bit older, and he told me that basically these days he liked more to be called Mild Bill, as he was no longer as fast as he used to be. But he was a massive Can-Am enthusiast, and since then I've been in touch with him a few other times. He's got loads of Can-Am stuff, so he's like a wealth of knowledge. A really cool guy.
Yeah, this one's kind of hard to push. I don't know why. It's probably the bearings in the rear or something. I aired the tires on it. Yeah, those downpipes are, you gotta watch those. Appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
You get a good deal.
Yes, thank you, Bill.
Lovely to meet you.
Yeah.
Whenever we've been out with Mark, they've always told us about this desert house that their uncle's got. We'd never met Ron before. He had guns, he had bikes, he had trikes, he had quads, he had little buggies. This desert house that was full of alcohol. It's like my dream come true.
So this time we went to a different part of the desert, went to the high desert in California. It's just such freedom riding along a desert track.
Wow, muckers, we're here.
They got a couple screws loose.
We stay on the roads here. These guys stay off of the roads.